everyone, this is Ivory and today I have this rather flawless and inspired makeup tutorial to show you guys. This makeup look gives off a gothic vibe and yet it still looks natural. If you are interested to know how to do it, make sure to watch this video until the end. And now, let's start. First of all, I'm gonna apply the foundation all over my face. I choose the shade one shade lighter than my skin tone color. And then I'm gonna cover up my dark circles with a cream concealer. I'm gonna apply the concealer all over beneath my eyes like this. This technique is only good if your dark circles are really bad like mine. And then I'm gonna set a base makeup with a powder. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna make it look thicker like Irene's eyebrows. And I'm gonna use darker eyebrow pencil to create hairy effect since my eyebrows are not that hairy naturally. And then I'm gonna contour my nose by applying shading powder onto the side of my nose. And then I'm gonna apply some onto my jawline and the side of my face around my cheekbones to make it look less prominent, like this. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm gonna start with the base color first and apply it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna take this color from Naked Smoky palette and apply it around my mobile eyelids and blend it outwards towards the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow and apply it onto the other feet. And next, I'm gonna apply this color on top of it, just around the middle part. Next, I'm gonna apply some glitter onto the middle part of my lid like this. Next, I'm gonna apply the falsies first. And then I'm gonna draw the eyeliner with a black pen liner after that to create natural thin highlight. And I'm gonna draw the tail upwards and a little bit longer like this. Next, apply the mascara. And I'm gonna add 2 small cuts of fake lower lashes and stick them near the lower lash line, just around the other corner like this. Next, I'm gonna apply the highlighter onto some center feathers on my face. And for the blusher, I'm gonna use a dusty rose pink color and I'm gonna apply diagonally like this. Last, for the lips. This makeup look has a dark gothic look red lips. So I'm gonna create a soft gradation dark red lips by using 2 lip products and blend the color evenly. And now, the makeup is done. this is the finished look. What do you think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Bye!